Hey guys, it's Vinamri here from the Fountain Pen Guy, back with another video. Now in this video, we are going to unbox the Kanwrite Desire Fountain Pen. Now the Kanwrite Desire Fountain Pen is a famous fountain pen from the Indian brand which is named as Kanpur Writers. It's one of the economic fountain pens which is by the Indian brand, and it's very well renowned in the fountain pen hobby here in India. It's a famous fountain pen, so we'll be having a look at the packaging experience, the unboxing contents, and the overall first impressions of this fountain pen. So I had bought this fountain pen from Pen's Point, which is a famous fountain pen shop in New Delhi. I had made a complete vlog style video about the Pen's Point shop, so you can watch that somewhere here in the I button. Now we'll start with the unboxing experience. So this is the packaging what we get from Pen's Point. I thank Ravi Bhaiya for giving me this pen. It's a fantastic pen. I have heard a lot about it, so I can't wait to unbox it and start using it. So this is like a box what we get in our hand first. I'll keep this to a side. I'll see what else do we get with this. We get this very important piece of information, which is Pen's Point card. So if you want, you can screenshot this for your information. It's a really helpful Pen's Point shop which is here in New Delhi. Please go and check this fountain pen shop out here. You'll love it. We'll keep this to a side and let's start with the unboxing experience of this fountain pen. So it's like a good enough box, a leather kind of a box. I think it's not pure leather. There's like a leather coating on it. This is something gold plated. It's a good box. I think I just wanted to note that the finishing of this box isn't that good compared to like the other boxes which I've seen, like of Lotus pens or something. So maybe they can improve on the finishing of the box. We'll remove this, and what we have in our hand is the Kanwrite Desire in blue color. So this is the Kanwrite Desire what we have in our hand. Let's start with the unboxing. It's wrapped in some plastic. We'll remove it. And yeah, this is what we have in our hand. This is the Kanwrite Desire. So it's something of a royal blue shade with some white accents in between and like a little bit of maroon tinge towards it. So I really love the color of the pen and everything like that. There has been good detailing done on the first impressions, like with the two metal rings which has been attached to the clip. Then like a detailing over here of the clip attachment what we have. Then the clip is named as Kanwrite with the branding. Let me see how flexible it is. Yeah, it's quite flexible. So we'll unscrew the cap now. And yeah, this is like the complete fountain pen what we have in our hand. Okay, it's completely made up of like durable acrylic, which is molded acrylic, in fact injected molded acrylic. So it's completely made up of that. Like usually we see some fountain pens which have a different kind of a grip, but this is completely made up of that blank, which is a very good thing. There are some threads out here. This is the Kanwrite branded nib. It is available in medium. Now this nib is also available in Super Flex. Now the Super Flex nib would be costing to you for rupees 100 plus. I bought this pen at rupees 700. So 700 plus 100 rupees, you'll get it for that. And this nib in fact is available from Kanwrite in fine, medium, extra fine, broad and 1 millimeter, and like all these Super Flex nibs now. So we'll unscrew the feed. And this is the converter what we have in our hands, a standard international converter which we get. Now if you see, the standard international converter is the same which is of the Pierre Cardin also. In the past I've reviewed a Pierre Cardin pen with the standard international converter, and my reviews about that converter is pretty bad. Like the cleaning and all becomes quite difficult. So yeah, this is what the pen is all about, what I have in my hand. It's a fantastic package, I think. It delivers a great pen with a great accessibility to various nib options, especially with that Super Flex nib. So I've mentioned some details about Pen's Point shop in the I button. You can contact Kanpur Writers as well for some more information if you want on this fountain pen. So yeah, that is all what I had for the unboxing experience. My first impressions are pretty good about the pen. The pen seems to be light. The pen has as per what I've heard about the nib is pretty good on the pen. So I can't wait to try the nib and post my review video about the same. So yeah, we'll be using this pen for a week and then I'll be definitely reviewing this pen. That is the reason we don't have the writing sample in this unboxing video. So yeah, that is all for this unboxing video of FPG. I hope that this unboxing video of the Kanwrite Desire Fountain Pen was helpful to you. If it was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. Stay tuned for the review video which is coming soon on the channel about the Kanwrite Desire in the review series. Share it with your family and friends. This is Fountain Pen Guy signing off, and I hope to see you in my next one.